Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install MetaTrader 4 for your iOS devices. So very simple, at the App Store search for MetaTrader 4. So this is the app, install and just open it. So by default you will come to this screen, and these are some of the tabs I will explain to you how to use it. So come to this setting. So by default, this MT4 app will create a demo account. So this is how you add in your own account or account that which I show in my ebook. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to add in my SM micro account, which is stated in my ebook at page 10. So this is how you do it. Click new account. Click login to existing account and enter here to look for the company or server name. So my account is SM Global. Real 39. That one is for my account which stated in my ebook page 10. So login is the account number. So it's 490900738. Password is capital I and BESTOR. So I would recommend everyone to use your mobile phone to connect to your own account by using investor password. How to set investor password, I have a video for that. Okay, so now click the setting again. So now I'm logging into my SM micro account. So basically you can actually add multiple accounts by click on this new account. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is this or this icon for. So this is basically to show you all the pricing for all the symbol. So this is to show the chart. It depends on which chart you want to look at. Example, now you look at GBP USD. Just click here, just press on this and click on chart. So this will show you the candlestick of the GBP USD. This icon trade here is to show you the current balance, the credit and the total equity, and these are all the open position which is currently open, and currently these are the floating P&L. Now it's positive 34 cents and it's fluctuate based on the price. So this is the history. So by default it will show you this is today transaction. Currently is with 26 cents profit, right? And you want to see this is last week, 29.80 cents. So you want to see months, right? You can see the months or the history, or you can see the custom, the date that you can specify. Okay, so this is how you add in a new account. So, and I'm going to show you another good features to use is under this chat and messages. So basically this is to send notification to your mobile phone whenever there's my bot plays a new trade or the trade has been closed with profit. So this is how you go. So basically you sign in. If you do have an MQL5 account, you just register. Actually I have another video to show you how to do it, so just have a look. So basically what you need is to get this MQID. With this only then you can set up this notification. Right, with the notification it's very simple. Basically this for today, it will show you all the notification like this, right? my bot actually have open trades for today. Okay, so this is how you set up your MT4 mobile app at iOS device.